Welcome to another episode. Let's visit our friends again. I am sure you will enjoy it. The golden-tailed woodpecker, Campethera abingoni, is a species of bird in the family Picidae. Its specific name commemorates the 5th Earl of Abingdon. It belongs to a species complex that includes the Knysna woodpecker to the south of its range, and the mostly allopatric Mombasa woodpecker to the northeast, with which it perhaps hybridizes. The combination of barred, greenish upper part plumage, and streaked underparts is distinctive. Their golden olive tails do not differ markedly from those of several related or sympatric woodpecker species. Well, let's listen to them. Amazing, isn't it? Thank you for your patience. See you soon.